What's the matter, Brooks? What's the matter? Oh, do you want some of my ravioli? Oh, you do? You want some of that ravioli right there, that tweets? Can you speak? Oh, you can. You speak? Can you shake? Shake. Oh, that's good shaking. Okay, be. Shh. No, no, you gotta be pretty. No, no. Oh, you look so pretty right there.
Whoa, I have 4 tables.
What is she doing? Does she have diabetes?
Oh, wow. There's hungry customers.
Because you want a treat? You do? Okay. In your dish? Okay, in your dish.
We gotta click that time.
Go in your dish. Get a treat in your dish. Go on. It's in your dish. Where's your treat? It's still right here, Brooks. It's a ravioli right there. It's right here. Come on. Come on. The treat right there. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a pretty.